Hey everybody, come to you again here in a cold day in Ohio. I want to show you another kit we've got here for you today. I'm really excited to show you this kit. This is our 16-inch dual trailer wheel kit. Most come with steel on the outside. We have an option for you to get polished aluminum on the outside. You can see the information here, 16 by 6. It's our part number 460600. It has an 8x6.5 bolt pattern. The center bore, the CB you see there, is 121.2 millimeters, which equates to 4.77 inches. This is a polished both sides wheel, and I'm excited to show it to you. So this is the box the wheel comes in, and I want to show you what it looks like when I open it here. I've got one ready here, but today, but this will give you a good idea of how it's packaged and sent to you. Wow, super shiny. It is polished on both sides, which, you know, might not make sense since it's going on the outside of a trailer, so it'll actually be flipped the other way than what you see here. But I've got a surprise for you at the end of the video to show you why we polish this wheel on both sides. You'll see that it comes in a plastic wrap like this, and actually on this side there's actually a sticky plastic that goes over the front to protect it from scratches. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave that sticky tape on the back of this wheel just so you get an idea of how it comes packaged and how it'll come to you. Let me fold this back here. Wow, okay, so this is our 16 by 6 inch dual trailer wheel package here, or kit. You'll see that there's only 2 wheels here today, just because I wanted to show you what it would kind of look like on the side of one side of your trailer. Sometimes you have 3 axles on those trailers, which you can buy additional wheels if needed, but a kit usually comes with 4 of these wheels for the outside. And then it also comes standard with an open center hub cover. If you don't like that open center, or you don't need the open center, sometimes people like to get that so they can access the hubs easier. You can also get a closed top center cap. Also, what comes in the kit are these hub pilot, which is also another important thing to talk about. It's a 2-piece flange washer lug nut that you'll see that it has a spinning washer, and that's because this is a hub pilot wheel, which I'll make more videos to describe what stud pilot and hub pilot mean, but just know that these wheels are hub centered. So this perfect ring or center bore is perfect to that 4.77, and you'll see it's got 8 lug nut holes. And when you tighten these lug nuts down, they'll sit flat here on the wheel. These center caps don't push in through the back side. So we get that question a lot of times. Hey, my center cap doesn't fit inside the wheel. Because these wheels are hub centered, you can't have anything in between the wheel center bore and the hub because it fits perfectly. So this design allows the center cap. Once you put the wheel on the studs on the hub, then you put the center cap, and then you tighten down the lugs on this little lip you see here that holds down the center cap. I'll actually put a link in the description below with a shorter video of how that system works and how you install the center cap. So if that doesn't make sense to you, you'll have another video to view for how that works. Once you have the hub cover on, you've torqued down the lug nuts, you'll also get these stainless steel lug nut covers. And I'll kind of show you, obviously the lug nut isn't on there, but you know, after you put the wheel on and the center hub cover, you'll have something to cover up those steel lug nuts. Another option is you can just buy the wheels themselves, because honestly, by themselves, these wheels will shine up your trailer without even needing those hub covers as well. So if you don't have a need for the hub covers and lug nut covers, you can just buy the wheels individually. Obviously, super shiny wheels. They come mirror finish, and I'm doing this video outside because a lot of times, you know, when people are showing wheels, they're inside. Well, that's not where these trailers will be. They'll always be outside. And so I wanted to give you an idea of what they would look like in outside light. So hopefully that does that for you. I'll kind of walk around to both sides. Wow, super shiny. Again, this plastic will come off, so don't worry about that. I just wanted to show you how they would come packaged. Again, these are Northstar, part number 460600. Okay, so the surprise. So why we polish both sides. So this particular wheel is actually the same fitment for Ram 3500 dualies, 1994 to, I'm not quite sure, it's somewhere in the early 2000s before they switched to the 17-inch wheel. But if somebody knows the exact year that they switched to 17-inch, please feel free to drop it in the comments below to help our viewers. But if you have one of those older Ram 3500s with the 8x6.5 pattern, 4.77 center bore, you can use these wheels on that Ram, and we also have a package for that as well. So obviously this would be the outside dual rear wheel. That's what it would look like. This would be the front side. Not a lot of people make this center bore and bolt pattern in a 16-inch aluminum wheel anymore. There are not a lot of options out there, especially forged aluminum. So if you're looking to replace either steel wheels or old aluminum wheels on that truck, feel free to give us a call at BuyTruckWheels.com. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to share this video. I hope it was informative. Thank you.